Another very, very important finding that we have is bad quality water. Probably you can relate to, many of you might be able to relate to this, what I'm telling now. Many of the children that we see, they are dehydrated. The blood markers are showing they are dehydrated. But when we ask the parent would tell us their child is drinking more than enough water. They're always thirsty. They're very thirsty, but their system is dehydrated. They are going to pass urine every hour. They're drinking a lot of water, but their cells are dehydrated. Now, when I say bad water, which means there's a structure of water. The right side image, you see the water has a structure. Left side is the unorganized water. The kind of water we feed, kind of hydration can happen to our cells. When we feed our system with the unstructured water, it does not hydrate our cells. As a consequence, our cells don't get the water. As a consequence, they don't perform the cellular functions. As a consequence, there's an inflammation. There's a lot of toxins within the cell. And if the cell, which is a fundamental unit of our body, is not functioning well, the brain will not function well. So it is not the problem of a brain, it is a bodily problem where dehydration is another reason which is adding to the trouble. Another very, very important something you must take away from this webinar is non-native electromagnetic field. Now, today there's a cellular network, there's a Wi-Fi, there's a phone network, there is a there's a TV network. Our body is bombarded with lot of radiation. Then there's a lot of artificial lighting around us. Okay, this creates an electromagnetic field which is not unnatural to us, and this is a major reason behind a child not having a lot of trouble. So just to give you a little bit on the gravity of the problem, a 6-year-old child's body absorbs 60% more radio frequencies from a cell phone and other wireless devices than a person in their 20s. So children born in this era of technology, they are more prone to the problem. Okay, you must have observed, since this lockdowns has happened, your child might be normal, and after the lockdown, when they are spending more time inside the house, more time on the phone and the TV and the laptop, they started throwing the symptoms. So nothing wrong with the brain, it's just the environment of this radiation is killing them. Now, in our patient group, when we ask them to go under sun, we ask them to stop using a lot of Wi-Fi's and all that. Just simple interventions will, a child will start healing better. They start getting a better sleep by avoiding artificial light or avoiding this phones at night. So this is a very, very important thing you must take up.